I want to show you a few things on the profit and loss. I have customized this report to fit just the Amazon profit and loss. I'm going to show you how to do that, but I wanted to show you a couple of things on here. One, if you go down and look at net income and then look over here at cash basis. Cash basis is when you do the accounting based on when you receive the money. And so when you're doing your taxes, more than likely you'll do it on a cash basis. Of course, you'll talk with your tax person and find out for sure, but if you need to make that report, this report, accrual or cash, you do it here. And if you notice this amount here, when I change it to accrual, it dramatically changes the amount. So it can go up or down depending on how the your cash flow is. So that's one thing I wanted to show you. And then I wanted to show you how to actually do the customization. So profit and loss standard or detailed. Detailed is going to show you every transaction that happened, and the standard is going to have just the totals. So depending on what you're looking for and what you need to do, then you would choose one or the other. I'm going to use standard for this example, but I also wanted you to see the year-to-date comparison and the previous year comparison. The previous year comparison is helpful when you're doing your taxes. It's also helpful when you're doing forecasting and trends and what have you, so you can look at the way things have been going and see how to adjust what you're doing. And so if we're going to go to the standard, then we're going to go to customize, and we're going to find filters and then account, and then we're going to go up to the top and do multiple account. We're going to come over to the select accounts, and we're going to find everything that has to do with Amazon. So you'll go back to the one that I showed you to start with and find all of those accounts if you want to duplicate my report. Once you have it chosen and filled out for your business, then I would suggest that you click memorize and name it as I did. I named it Amazon P&L. If you have other business revenues that you want to track separately, you could do the same thing there. I like to be able to look at my Amazon business separately.